Hey guys, welcome to Synchronicity Tarot. So today I'm back again with another pick a card reading. This reading will be what are their current feelings and energies towards you? What are their current feelings and energies towards you? So it will be a romantic or a love reading, and you can think about the person, a specific someone who is there in your life, and you don't know what is happening in their life because you don't have proper communication. Maybe you both are not talking or blocked each other, no contact, no communication. So this reading is for you. Okay, so we have three piles here. You can select any one of them, and you can choose the pile intuitively. If you need more time, you can pause the video. Please note that these are general readings, they may or may not resonate with everybody. Please take whatever resonates and leave the rest. Okay, if you want any personal readings, my details are given below. Then from April I'll be free, and I'm ready to take up the personal readings also. This month I'll be a little busy, but from April I'll be free, and I can do more and more readings, and I can make more videos. Then that's all. Yes, let's move to the reading. So we have three piles here. Pile number 1, the tree agate. Pile 2, lapis lazuli. Pile 3, carnelian. Okay, so you can choose whichever pile you are intuitively connected with. Okay, you can choose two piles also, but if you have any two people in your life, if you want to know about them, you can choose two piles also, but each pile is for one person. Okay, so let's start the reading. Whoever chose this tree agate, this reading is for you. Let's see what are their current feelings and energies. Let's see what are their current feelings and energies. Spirit guides and angels, please give us some guidance and clarity. What are their current feelings and energies towards my viewers? Whoever chose pile 1, what are their person's current feelings and energies? We have two cards here. One is 4 of stars. Other one is 4 of pentacles. We'll pull more cards. What are their current energy, spirits? Please give us some guidance and clarity. We have here 7 of suns. The hanged man. Fortune of whale. And the completed world. So these are all the cards for you. Okay, so I can see here you are dealing with a person who might be fixed signs. I can see that Taurus, Aquarius, Leo and Scorpio I can see, and for some of you it is Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, and Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. I can see all these signs here. Then I cannot see any water signs. Okay, so I don't see any emotions from this pile actually. So it is a very practical pile, I can say. That this person is very far away. I feel that this person is in another country, city or another state. Okay, so you both are not together, and you both are not meeting or talking. Nothing is happening in between you. Okay, but this person is feeling that they have lot of feelings for you. And even though it is not shown here, but the world card shows that they are thinking you as their world, and they are constantly thinking about you. That definitely I can see here. And this person is feeling like maybe one cycle you have completed with this person also. Maybe one maybe you broke up with this person, or you had a very bad past, and you have completed the cycle, and after that you stopped talking with this person. Or for some of you, this person might be your ex also. Maybe you got separated, or maybe you got divorced. For very few of you, I'm saying maybe you are divorced. Okay, so this is what I'm getting from these cards. And I can see that this person is hanged, like they are not able to move, they are not able to take any action, any decision, because they are stuck in something. Maybe they are stuck in a karmic cycle. Maybe they are dealing with their ex, or maybe their karmic partner. So they are not able to come towards you, they are stuck actually. And they are constantly praying God or universe that they want to come in unity with you, or they want to reconcile with you, they want to talk to you, or clarify things, or settle down all these issues. Or maybe you have any disagreements, they want to resolve all those issues. So they are constantly praying God. And I can see this person is quite not too much, but I can feel that this person is little egoistic, and because of that ego and pride, they are not able to come towards you. And they are quite defensive. I can see that they are defensive, and they feel that they have not done anything wrong in this particular situation, and they feel that they are unnecessarily blamed or misunderstood by you. Okay. And they are also introvert, they are not sharing their feelings to you, and they are not at all expressing their feelings towards you. And they are keeping everything to themselves. And also, for some people, they are struggling for money, finances. They are keeping all the money to themselves, and they are saving lot of money. They are not spending, they are saving up the money. Maybe to spend on you, or when you reconcile again, maybe they want to take care of you. That is the reason they are saving up the money. I can see double fours are there. Maybe April month is prominent for you. Maybe they might come towards you in April month. And I also can see that they are just kind of a battling in themselves, and they don't know what to do. They are indulged in their own life and their own fights, their own problems. Okay, so they don't have time to think about you or come towards you, they are stuck. But a wheel is turning, friends. Don't worry, the wheel of fortune. Things will happen in their own time. Don't worry, because they are also waiting for the right time to communicate with you. And now let's see. We will pull some more cards from the Universal Tarot deck, and we will see more about their current feelings. Okay. Angels and spirit guides, please give us some guidance and clarity. The Fool, King of Wands, Five of Swords, Seven of Cups, King of Cups, and Eight of Wands. Very nice. Okay, surely they will communicate with you. Okay, because Eight of Wands is there, that is a communication card. Okay, so they want to communicate. Definitely their what are their current feelings. That means they want to communicate with you, and they want to travel towards you. I can see for some of you, first they will communicate, and because of the Fool card, they want to take a risk, and they want to come towards you. They don't know what will happen, what will be the consequences, but definitely first they will communicate with you, and later they'll come towards you. They want to come directly and talk to you. So they want to take a risk in this connection, so they left everything on in God's hand, or yeah, in a universe hand. So they left everything to the universe. So now they want to come towards you. See how the cards are correlating with each other. See, four of swords is there, below that is the fool. Okay, in four of swords also the person was praying to God, okay, or the universe, that they want to be with you, they want to reunite with you, they want to come towards you. So similarly, the same, both cards are matching each other, okay, complementing each other, I can say. So this person want to take a risk now, take action now. Okay, so now they are in kind of King of Wands energy or King of Cups energy. Okay, so they are now they are feeling quite emotional. Earlier they didn't have any emotions. This relationship was like kind of because they were stuck, and they were busy with their own work, and busy with their own money and finances. Now they are exploring, and slowly they developed these feelings. Okay, this I feel that you both are separated maybe years, some of you 1 year or 2 years. Okay, so this person is developing feelings now. Maybe when you both were together, or when you both were in talking terms, that time they didn't have any feelings towards you, frankly speaking. Okay, maybe you were thinking that, oh, this person loves me, or something like that. No, that time this person had a kind of in a starting stage, I can say. There was no clarity, and they were confused also. But now slowly they are getting attracted towards you, and they want a victory in this connection. Not a victory, I can say, victory in this battle. Okay, they want to win this argument, they want to win this fight. So for at any cost, okay, they're kind of a foolish behavior, I can say, because this person is losing all the relationships, okay, because of his or her pride or ego. Because of that, they are losing people, they are losing relationships. Okay, people are walking away from them because they are hurt and tired of this petty fights. So this person is it is called as a hollow victory, because they are winning, but on what cost? What cost they are winning this fight? Okay, so they are in still in a defensive mode, and defensive energy, and they want a victory or win in this battle. Okay, so they are also in a kind of a confused state, like whether to come towards you or not, whether to what will be the consequences. I mean, they are into full energy sometimes, and they are into sometimes in a dilemma, like whether I should come or not. But if you see the last card, that is King of Cups, that is full of emotions. This person want to have a heart to heart conversation with you. They want to offer you their cup of love. They are ready now, they want to come towards you. They are passionate with King of Wands. They want to have a physical relationship with you, like sex with you, and they also want to share their cup of love with you. They want to express their feelings and emotions. So King of Cups is a very romantic or emotional person. Okay, so this person is now in a King of Cups energy and King of Wands energy, you can see. So this person is very passionate, very romantic, and they are thinking about you day and night, daydreaming, hallucinating, because of the Seven of Cups. They are thinking so many things, like, if I do like this, what will happen? If I do like that, what will happen? So now they are strategizing before communicating with you. Are you able to understand what I'm trying to say? Before contacting you, before communicating with you, they want to strategize, like how to come towards you. If I come, I give this reason, what will happen? If I give this reason and go to his or him or her, what will happen? So they are thinking about pros and cons of this situation. What will happen if I communicate with her, call her or him? Will they pick my call? Will they talk to me nicely? Okay, so many doubts, and so many questions are there in their mind. They are into a dark energy because they don't know what is happening. So they are kind of in a dark energy. They don't know how to proceed ahead to come towards you. Okay, that is their current energy, friends. So let's pull one guidance card. Let's pull one guidance card for my pile 1 people. Whoever chose the tree agate, spirits and angels, please give us one guidance card, one guidance and clarity. Please give us one card. Okay, the Hermit. So universe is saying that you have to meditate and you have to know yourself first. So this journey, whatever the journey is happening right now, this is for your own good. You have to know yourself. What do you want? What do you need? And what you are looking for? Are you really in love with that person, or it is just attraction? So universe is asking me to retreat, and you have to meditate and find out your soul. Okay, what exactly you want. So universe is saying that stay calm, whatever happened, it is for a reason. So you have to retreat and you have to know yourself first before expecting something from others. Okay, so universe is saying wait, stop, don't move or don't communicate, let them come to you. Okay, I can see some of the energies I can feel from my viewers. They are they want to communicate, they are desperate. Okay, but universe is saying stop, don't move, don't take any action, don't do anything, let them come to you, let them only follow you, chase you. Okay, so universe is telling don't take any action. Okay, so now let's pull their messages for you. Let's pull their messages for you. What are the messages from their person spirit? Okay, let's see. So now I have here, children are affecting this connection. So maybe as I told you earlier, maybe this person is your ex. Okay, so this person is saying that children are affecting our relationship. You can never know if you have truly in love until you get separated. Exactly, I already told you that earlier this person didn't have that much love and feelings towards you. Now slowly they are developing. I have thought of taking a trip with you. Definitely they want to take a trip with you, spend alone time with you. There is so much I want to say to you. Yes, definitely that is the reason they will communicate with you, maybe in the month of April. The distance have been killing me. Yeah, with the world card we know that this person is far away from you. I wish I had treated you better. Yes, definitely. So this person earlier they chose somebody or they didn't treat you well. Wishing you were with me right now. Yes, so they are missing you a lot. My love for you is unconditional. Very good. Engagement. Definitely. Now they want to come to you and they want to have engagement. Okay. I miss you. Definitely they miss you. I can see that energy. Okay, now let's see the initials. Okay, I can see here T, R, H, X, Y, W. Okay, we'll pull some more. F, O, Q, V, L. Okay, so this might be your person's first name, middle name, last name, so take it however it resonates. So now these are their current feelings and energies towards you, friends. If you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Press the bell symbol for more notifications, and please have patience with me because this month I'll be very busy, but next month I promise that I will be constantly posting videos. Okay, please give me some time. Okay, yeah, thank you. See you in the next reading. Bye.